Video 4 on day 8. In this video, we're going to talk about homeschool. On yesterday, we had our fall homeschool review. Did we pass? Did we fail? Did we provide adequate care for an educational environment for our child? We'll find out, and you stay tuned in this video. We prepared for our homeschool evaluation. We're a little nervous. It's our first time providing homeschool for our child. Our child will be completing the first grade, and so we purchased a curriculum over the summer. We provide detailed daily activities, lesson plan of what should take place for our child. And so they kind of helped out with some of the anxiety, what to do, because during the first 3 years of any child's educational journey is critical. We know that research states that our system looks at the third grade education, determine if their reading level, which determines in some places if they're going to build prisons for that population, third grade. And so we want to make sure that our child and people in our community have resources so that they can reach that point. Put a pin there. So as we prepared for homeschool, we wanted to make sure that we cover all the areas. There were 8 content areas that the school, the county looked for. And so we created a system where we had each of the areas placed daily. We start around 8:30 and between 12:30, sometimes longer. Depends on the schedule. Depends on what's planned for that day. So I was planning for this day. As a eCam lover, I said, how can I incorporate eCam on this virtual review for homeschool? And so what we did was we created a couple scenes, but we also wanted to make sure that we had evidence of the certain area. So there are some things I was able to create scenes for. Other things we had to do the old school. We created this large binder. This binder has over 60 lessons that were completed. And so this is just evidence of the several areas our child had to complete throughout the year: math, arithmetic, English, phonics, history, science, social studies, all those things we had content for. But I was able to be creative and thinking that, come on this review virtually, I would impress the viewers. And so first thing was to show the binder. They were impressed by the binder. And then we showed different scenes, and I had my stream deck. They were able to go through different scenes. I had one scene with a PDF file, so I have a button on my mighty stream deck that allowed me to go from PDF to PDF. And so this was our first scene that we provided to our review on yesterday. My name, wife name at the bottom, lower left corner. Well, left is that way. Left is that way. Well, left is right here. The left is right here. Left side. Yeah, I'm learning how to learn left and right. My left and right now. So my side with my name and wife name, my child's name. She's a minor, so we left her name out. So this is our first scene as we welcome into the review. And so then we were able to go through the binder, go to different areas, the 8 areas: mathematics, science, English, phonics, language, science, social studies, all the different areas we provide evidence for. And so then we went to our first scene. Our first scene that we provided was for gym. We provided samples of things that she did for us exercise, playing basketball, running, riding the bicycle with father, basketball again, bicycle, different activities, stretching, balancing, did some swimming before it got a little cold. But these are some things that we did with her at that time period. Then went to our next scene, thanks to Stream Deck. Got the music, and they were shocked that we had, boom. Because of eCam, we're able to set the recording, have the scene where she's playing the harmonica, and we talked about different things she's doing as far as music in that process. One area that we're going to beef up in as far as music, because right now she's taking harmonica lessons lessons 1 through 7 on YouTube video. But our experience, they were impressed with the evidence. It's about evidence that we provided to show what we're doing with our child. It was a labor of love. We learned each day about providing an adequate homeschool environment for our child. We don't take it for granted. It's actually a privilege to provide homeschool for your children. When we're able to do it, I say go for it. With the right supportive network, the time and the resources, and being able to spend those wonderful moments, cherished moments as they grow up. So thank you. Video 4, day 8, VLOGMAS.